Here our first question is, in the given figure, three lines AB, CD and EF intersecting at the point O. So this is the point O, intersecting at point O. Let's take this is point O and find the values of x, y, z degrees. What is the angles? It is being given that x is to, what they are given, x is to, y is to, z. They are given that 2 is to 3 is to 5. So y angle is greater than x angle and z angle is greater than both the x and y angles. So let's take what are the actual angles is angle x, that is AOC. So you can take it as AOC, that will be equal to z degrees. Then angle EOD will be equal to y degrees. Then angle FOB will be equal to x degrees. So according to our angle at the one point is actually sum of all the angles will be 360 degrees. So here you can take it as this all angles. So here x degrees means for this vertically opposite angle is x degrees only. For this vertically opposite is z degrees. For this vertically opposite is y degrees. Or you can take all the, so angle at a point is equal to 360 degrees. Total angle at the point is equal to 360 degrees. Then what you can take it here is, so here sum of all these angles, that is x degrees plus y degree plus z degree plus again x degree, y degree plus z degree will be equal to 360 degrees. So here sum of all this, then 2 into x plus y plus z 360 degrees. So here 2 times is there. You can take it like this also. 2x degree plus 2y degree plus 2z degree will be equal to 360 degrees. So for this, what you have to take it here is, let x degree will be equal to some angle we have to take. So what is that x degree will be equal to is some angle. So that is, so let's take x degree will be equal to 2a degree, then y will be equal to 3a. We are multiplying with the a variable. So for that, without changing, so if you multiply with the same variable, then angles will be same. So here we are going to substitute 2 into 2a plus 3a plus 5a, that will be equal to 360 degrees. Then what you can take it here? So let's take here 2 into, so let's write 2a plus 3a plus, this is 8a. So 3a plus 5a, 8a, 360 by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 2, 180s are 360. Then what you can take, 10a will be equal to 180 degrees. Then a will be equal to 180 by 10. Then 10 1s are 10 18s are. Then a, we have calculated the value of actual value. A value will be 18. Then it will going to multiply all the values with, so it will going to multiply. So let's write angle x degree will be equal to 2a, that is 2 into 18, that is 36 degrees. Then angle y will be equal to 3 into a, that is 3 into 18, 54 degrees. Then angle z will be equal to, what is that? Angle z degree will be equal to 5a, 5 into 18. Then what is that? 18 5s are 90 degrees. Like this we need to calculate. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. So here our second question is, find the value of x in the following figures. So they are given one figure. Here it's making angle 180 degrees. So if you find this angle is, these two angles, if you add these two angles, it's giving that 180 degrees. So here it is making 180 degrees. Then if you add both the angles, so they are intersecting at O. Let's take from linear pair axioms, linear pair angles. What is that is linear pair angles, sum of the adjacent angles. In linear pair, angles should be adjacent. So there should be adjacent angles only, not like supplementary. Supplementary may be some any two angles, some will be 180, but linear pair angles compulsory adjacent angles, that is angle AOB plus angle BOC will be equal to 180 degrees. So here it's making 180 degrees angle at this point. Now we're going to add these values. So angle AOB will be equal to 3x plus 18. Then angle B, this one overall angle, then angle BOC will be equal to 93 degrees, that is equal to 180 degrees. Then 3x plus 18 will be equal to 180 minus 93. So 180 minus 93, what you'll get here is 87. So 87. Then 3x will be equal to this 18 will move right side. Then what it will plus is there, it will become minus 87 minus 18. So 87 minus 18, what you will get here is 69. So 69 we will get. That implies 3x will be equal to 69. Then x will be equal to 69 by 3. So 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. Then 3 3s are. That x will be equal to 23 value. So what is the value? X will be equal to 23 degrees. So like this we need to find. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. So here our second one is, here also we need to find the value of x. So what you can take it here is, we have to think about 296 degrees that are given and total angles that are given. So the angle, angle at a point will be equal to 360 degrees. 360 degrees. So if you add all these angles, then you will get the point, that is the angle 360 degrees. That is sum of all the angles. So sum of all the angles will be equal to 360 degrees. Then what are the angles? AOB plus BOC plus CO. So COA. This angle. So this angle is COA. So outside angle, that will be equal to 360 degrees. So let's add all these values. AOB angle is x minus 24 degrees. Then BOC angle is 29 degrees plus COA angle is 296 degrees. They only given, that will be equal to 360 degrees. Now let's going to add all these values. So x minus, so here minus 24 plus 29, what value we will get here is plus 5 we will get. Why? Because 24 opposite symbols they are given, so that we have to do subtraction, and 29 is the bigger, in front of the plus is there, for that plus 5 degrees plus 296 degrees, that will be equal to 360 degrees. Then x plus 296 plus 5, so what value we will get? So 296, 301, so that is 301 degrees, that will be equal to 360 degrees. Then x will be equal to 360 degrees minus 301 degrees. That will be equal to 360 minus 301. That will be equal to 59 degrees. Then x value will be equal to 59 degrees. Then angle AOB will be equal to, what is that? 59 minus 24. So what you will get? 59 minus 24 will become 35 degrees. 35 degrees. Like this we need to calculate. So here our third one is, in second one, third one is, so let's take all these points, all these two lines are joining at this point. So these are all total degrees are 360 degrees. So actually these are all, so let's vertically opposite angles. So let us, these two are vertically opposite angles. These two angles are equal. So vertically opposite, so it's all points are joining at O. So from vertically opposite angles, so vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. That means, so let's take angle BOA. Angle BOA will be equal to angle COD. Angle COD. These are all the vertically opposite angles. So the two are equal. The condition is like that. In the angles, vertically opposite angles are equal. 2 plus 3x degrees will be equal to 62 degrees. Then 3x will be equal to 62 degrees minus 2. Here plus is there, it will go 60 degrees. Then 3x will be equal to 60 degrees. Then x will be equal to 60 degrees by 3. Then 3 1s are 3 20s are. So 3 2s are 6 and 0, 3 0s is 0. That means, that implies x degree will be equal to 20 degrees. Like this we need to find. Then what is the angle of, therefore angle BOA will be equal to 2 plus 3 into 2, that is 2 plus So 20 here, 60, then 62 degrees. So we are getting the same angle as, that is angle COD, same angle we got. Like this we need to find. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. So here our second one, in that fourth one is, they are given some angles that are joining at one point. So this is the intersection point. So from linear pair, if you add all these ones, so let's take this angle is 180 degrees. Then this angle also equal to 180 degrees. So these are the angles. So if you add all this, straight line is forming a linear pair. So linear pair means, angles, linear pair angles means angles are adjacent. So angles should be adjacent angles, then only it will form linear pair angles. So that means, so from linear pair axioms, let's take joining of all that AOB, this angle, plus angle BOC plus angle CO. Let's take this somewhat Z, CO, Z will be equal to 180 degrees. So sum of all the angles, they are equal to 180 degrees, or you can take it as, here only you can take it as 90 degrees. You can go with here also. Here 90 means, so here angle is 90 means here also 90 degrees. So actually you can go, this is the 90 degrees, there also 90 degrees. You can go with any manner. First one, AOB is 40 degrees plus BOC is 6x plus 2 plus CO, that is 190, equal to 180 degrees. So here what you can go with is, so 6x plus 2 plus 40 plus 90, 130, that will be equal to 180 degrees. Then 6x plus 2, that is 180 minus 130, that will be equal to 50 degrees. Then 6x plus 2, then 6x will be equal to 50 minus 2, it will become 48. Then x will be equal to 48 by 6. So 6 ones are 6, 8s are. X will be equal to, so what is that? X will be equal to 8 degrees. That is, x will be equal to 8 degrees. So like that we need to form. Or another method is there. So simply you can go with right angle triangle. So right angle, that is right angle. So what you can take here, angle AOB plus angle BOC will be equal to 90 degrees. So if two angles are added, that is, then we are framing 90 degrees. So let's take 40 plus 6x plus 2, that will be equal to 90 degrees. So 42, 6x plus 42 will be equal to 90 degrees. Then what you can take here is 6x will be equal to 90 minus 42, that will be equal to 48. Then x will be equal to 48 by 6, 6 ones are 6 8s are. So like this also we can form 8 degrees here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.